we talked about trolls. Trolls, especially online gaming, the ones that you say they raped your mother and you're a whore and all this other stuff. Well, those fun people that make internet gaming just the most magnificent place to be. And with this troll, he pulled some threats, man, and this company was not having it. And you may ask, what company is that? People, that is Blizzard.
Yes.
Blizzard, of all companies, they're of everybody that stays on top of not having people, fuck with their fan base. Blizzard wins hands down. They're better than EA. They're better than Ubisoft. They're better than, I would say, everybody.
Yeah.
Because they know what they're doing. Now, Blizzard had this. Again, this is really sad because he is my age saying this stupid shit. Like, if you were like a 12 or 11-year-old saying some stuff like this, I'm like, I can. First of all, you shouldn't be doing that. Where are your parents? Second of all, you're 28, man. You shouldn't have to say like trash talk online. And what this guy did, named Steven Sebula from California, was reported by Hero of the Storm players for racist slurs and threats of pedophilia and violence, and his account was suspended. It was after that he took to Facebook to talk to Blizzard. Now, Blizzard already told you, back the fuck up, bruh. We have suspended your account. We don't like you. We don't like what you stand for. And hey, we're giving you a free out. Leave us alone. You just had to keep poking that bear, man. You had to go on Facebook and talk and run your mouth, dude. And you just they thought you was somebody special. And he took to Facebook and says, "Careful, Blizzard. I live in California. Your headquarters are here in California. You keep silencing me on Heroes of the Storm, and I may or may not pay you a visit with an AK-47 among some other fun tools."
Fuck you, dude. Really? Really? Jeez.
Oh, yeah. Oh, and he kept going. 20 minutes later, he wrote, "You keep silencing people in Heroes of the Storm, and somebody who may live in California might be inclined to cause a disturbance at your headquarters in California with an AK-47 and a few other opportunistic tools. It would be a shame to piss off the wrong person. Do you not agree, Blizzard?" And Blizzard said,
Yeah, that's a direct quote.
"Boy." Blizzard put him out there, and they was like, "Oh, okay, you want to talk shit?" Blizzard handed over the messages to the FBI, and a search warrant was issued.
Yeah.
You done fucked up, Steven.
Yeah, man.
You fucked up something vicious, dude. And let's see. During the search, Sebula, I'm just going to call him Steven. During the search, Steven told FBI agents he wanted to give Blizzard a sinking feeling that they should be worried, and used the phrase opportunistic tools to make their minds wander. He named AK-47 because it seemed like the scariest weapon.
I want to make their minds wander. AK-47. What?
It's the spookiest of all the weapons.
There's like nothing like that's a threat. There's nothing to make my mind wander.
Oh yeah, it's the worst of all threats.
Yeah.
It's a threat.
It doesn't make me ponder like, it's like, wait a minute, he's just threatening us.
Yeah, and my favorite thing is Blizzard was like, dude, like, you really think we're just not gonna like pay attention to this? Like, you're threatening to kill us at work with AK-47s and opportunistic tools. First of all, fuck you for opportunistic tools. What does that even mean? I got a laser cannon, that one from Congo, and I'm gonna kill everybody.
And a rolling pin.
I'm gonna bring it down. Pots and pans are coming at y'all with chains and shit, like the Warriors. He later, Jesus, and keep in mind, people, this gets better. He later admits to having violent sexual fantasies about young children, including his 5-year-old niece who lived at the residence along with 2 other young children, and he was put under arrest. Social media accounts belonging to Steven expressed an interest in serial killing. In a previous encounter with police, Steven said he had read books on the subject. In other words, the Blizzard threats aren't an isolated incident. Nevertheless, it's for the threats that he will be sentenced on the 26th of July. The maximum penalty is 5 years and $250,000. Womp womp. You fucking idiot. What were you thinking? Like, you're going to jail. Again, you're a 28-year-old man. Yeah. You are an adult. You are almost 30. You should be close to getting a mortgage.
In the end, everything will burn.
I think that was Steven's like motto or his manifesto when he was the Blizzard, everything must go. You don't know my power. Opportunistic tools. And AK-47s, of course.
Yes.
You can't skip those.
Oh, of course.
So people, learn your lessons. Don't First of all, don't threaten people online. Don't be a troll. Don't be a dick. And for the love of God, don't threaten to shoot up a workplace.
Yeah.
Because you will probably, most likely, especially with Blizzard, you're going to jail. I hope he gets the maximum penalty.
Oh, I do too.
I hope he gets that $250,000 fine.
Yeah.
And he goes to jail for 5 years.
Same. Absolutely.
They're gonna rape you. Oh, they're gonna rape you. And I hope they're doing that while playing like Harmony of Heroes or some shit. Oh, you talking that shit about fucking kids, huh? Guess what's happening tonight, buddy? Steven. So yeah, man, that's I'm not even gonna say good luck to that dude.
No, fuck him.
Bon chance. No, hey Steven, you're in jail right now, and I can't wait. We will have the 26th of July.
It's like 3 days.
That's 3 days away. So we will have an update for you guys next week on what happens to Mr. Steven, the base god. All right, y'all. All right, everybody, it's time to go ahead and hopefully again finish our playthrough of Inside. I always want to keep saying Inside Out.
I know.
So it's like we're gonna find like Bing Bong or something down here. Fucking hate that movie. But anyway. Yeah, we're gonna go ahead. Gertz is gonna get his play on, and hopefully, again, chat. You guys can help us out if we do run into a puzzle that we suck at. You're more than welcome to speak up, chatter, chit, shit. And with that, Gertz, let's go ahead and get it going.
Cool.
How?
There we go. Oh. I know you gotta stop it when it's over. Oh, God. Damn it. He wasn't moving it.
Trash.
You might have to take over here.
Trash.
You might have to take over. People will get real sick of just watching me die over and over.
Death again. They wrote, Gert, you suck.
I do.
They mad as hell.
I'm not denying it.
Ooh.
Whoops.
Man, your ankle should be shot after that. See what happens?
So, wait, pull the lever.
They said Kip looking like this. Yeah, girls is Mr. Glass. Nailed it.
Good
So
shit.
I'm a genius, baby. Baby geniuses.
Nice.
You gotta move that one to the right.
That, and then you swim. Yes.
Oh, wow.
I got it. I'm smart.
Who are all these people?
I don't know.
This is a Nine Inch Nails concert.
Oh.
Something inside.
Did you see that, dude?
Where?
Pelvic thrusting over there? Do it again.
He was pelvic thrusting.
Yeah.
I missed it. Do it again.
Yeah.
Get your freak on.
Yeah, come on, dude. We don't judge. Well, fuck you then.
Maybe he's shy.
Yeah. I didn't think anyone was seeing me.
Nobody was watching him. I apologize.
Got a bunch of mannequins in here, I guess. So what's going on here?
I don't think those are people.
Yeah.
Oh, that's your ass, Mr. Postman.
Oh, shit.
Put your little ass on the ground, Kip.
Yeah. Go! That's not what I wanted to do. I wanted to do the opposite. Oh, Jesus.
That was unfortunate. Oh, they're alive.
Uh-oh. Are they following me?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Oh, hey, guys. We're back. Hi. Now, what do we do?
Can't they just throw you up to press that button? The one that's in the other room.
Let's see what happens. I am the Blob. Oh, God. No! More than a few dogs to stop this. Oh, God! Yes, follow me, minions, still. Assist me. Assist me. Oh, God. How's the chat reacting?
Saying, what the hell?
Yeah. Swole block.
Nightmare fuel.
Yeah. Jesus. Yeah, this is both gross and awesome. It's cathartic as shit, actually. It's just barreling through everything. Get out of my way! Lunch special is meatloaf! Out of my way! Those guys up there are doing really well. Nah, son! Nah, son! Oh, God.
Guys, thanks for checking out the video. Go ahead and leave a comment down at the bottom or go ahead and hit that like button. You can also subscribe to Double Toasted on YouTube, or you can check us out on twitch.tv, TheHighScoreDT, all one word, and check us playing some games over there. Mr. Gertz.
You can find more Double Toasted content on doubletoasted.com, link in the description below, and you can also find the full episode of this show in audio form on SoundCloud. Also, the link is right there in the description.
Make America great again.
Blurred.
Get out of here. This is so unfortunate.
You can trap me.
Yeah, we're good.